Friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really nice steak, and this is basically a reverse pan-seared method. It's easy and it turns out wonderful. So with that, I've got 3 small steaks here, and they're a little thicker cut, so they're nice, and this is a perfect method for thicker cut steaks. Anyway, so if you've seen my video earlier, I did a compound butter, and I did a real nice garlic and herb compound butter to use on my steaks. Therefore, I'm only going to season these with salt and pepper. You can put anything you want on them, but I'm just going to put salt and pepper on them. And also, I've got my oven preheating to 275. So with that being said, I'm just going to season both sides of these steaks with salt and pepper. That is all I'm using. I'm going to flip them over and season the other side. And this will be wonderful. Okay, that is all the seasoning I'm putting on them. And I'm going to set them on my little rack that goes in my roaster. And they won't fall through. They're good size. So, that's going to go in my little roaster here. And then from there, it's going to go in the oven at 275. Now, I'm going to make sure that mine only reach about 130 degrees because we like them medium. And, if you want them rare, I think it's, 110 to 120? But I'm not sure about the other ones. I only know how I like them, so you'll have to research yours. But mine are only going to get to about 130 degrees, and I'm going to take them out. So, when these are done and ready to be pan-seared, I'll bring you back and show you that step. Friends, I am back, and I've got my cast iron pan heating up, and it's getting there. So I'm going to put this oil in here. You don't need a whole lot, but you want it to get a good sear, so about a couple tablespoons. I would think that would be sufficient. And you want it good and hot, screaming hot, because you want to sear these. You want to sear them real good on each side. So here they go. Ooh, hear that? That's what you want to hear. Now these are going to sear for about a minute on each side. There you go. You do a minute to a minute and a half on each side. These are going to be absolutely wonderful. See that nice sear it's got on it? Okay. Now another minute on that side. Ooh, and this is our Valentine dinner, and I've got the steaks, I've got a beautiful salad, and I've got baked potato, and I've got mashed potato for the hubby. Absolutely wonderful. All right, these are set. We're going to turn this off, okay? Now we're going to put these back on the board here. And then, all we're going to do with these right now is just cover them up. See, they're on the board there. We're going to cover these up just loosely, and we're just going to let them rest there for 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, I'll be back. Hey friends, it has been 10 minutes. I've got the plates all ready. Ooh, look at all that. How wonderful. We're going to put his steak right there. And look at that juice running off that board. Anyway, on top of his steak, that's where I put the compound butter. Isn't that a beautiful plate? So there you have it, friends. That's how easy it is to make a beautiful Valentine dinner. Thanks for watching.